Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M9, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once that is the case for your device, you want to then hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with this pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this disappears. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application under Albums or in the Photos itself. You can see if you have albums already, you can just navigate to Albums and it will create an album called Screenshots. As you can see right here, we can also tap on a text and this will take us to the said album. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.